What's up everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic. The G30, the ultimate pinnacle G30 here, the M550i. The car's got free flow bypass pipes and it has our full stainless exhaust setup. Now, here's the thing with these M550s. We think that we might have been able to make this car sound better than an M5. It's up to you guys to enjoy this video and see if that is the case. And we're gonna show you in this video, startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, interior clips. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper. Is this the ultimate way to experience the N63 engine? We think so. The sound is absolutely unmatched. Take a listen and drop a comment if you agree. Let's get to it. Inside the G30 M550, this thing is so much more exciting now with the full exhaust setup installed and this free flow set of downpipes. Listen, just 3,000 RPM, like literally 10 miles an hour. This car has so much more excitement now because the free flow bypass and the car gives you way more of a dynamic sound characteristics compared to the factory exhaust. Listen to how raw this is. It might sound better than an F90 M5. Now with our exhaust setup on the F90 M5, it's really hard to compete. That setup is absolutely world class, but this car with this exhaust is really not far off. The blare when you get on throttle is really, really enticing and enjoyable, but if I close the exhaust and go back to comfort mode, it's like it's bone stock in here, which is exactly what you want. But to show off the sound, oh, this thing is so much more exciting now. I'm gonna put you guys outside here in a little bit so you guys can hear the full sound characteristics. It's just so fun having the right exhaust setup for this car. This car is perfect daily driver, but you gotta have the right exhaust. Whew. No tune. Just so much more exciting than before.